Hey guys, PomPom624 here, showing you how to get free ringtones for your phone. First of all, you need to go to Safari, type in mixer.com, spelled with a Y, and press ringtones. Sign up if you haven't, but I have, so I'm going to sign in right now. By the way, if you try to email me, I'm probably not going to answer you back. Just a heads up. So once you get this up, you'll be able to go to make your own. Choose file. And go to whatever music you want to have. I'm doing Back in Black. As soon as it comes up, here it is. Now you press upload. This might take a while, but also this should work for most Verizon phones. Mine is. Alright, mine's up now. Alright, you can slide these orange bars wherever. Should be able to tell just by like the instructions, but I'm just gonna do the front minute. Going Back in Black. Change name by pressing change name. Just gonna do Back in Black. Press send to phone. And that's really all you need. You should be getting a text on your phone in a little bit. That's really all, as you can see right there. I'm getting a text now. It should be connecting. Receiving. And once you get that, you have this coming up. You press options and save as ringtone. Then your text should be right there. And now it's your ringtone. Right there. Alright, that's the end of the thing. Bye.